Hello everyone. So in this video I'm gonna show you how we can use the special block MUX. It's here under the other operators on the toolbox. We can select our MUX, drag and drop into our next network. Let's delete the normally open contact. So basically what this block does, it's pretty similar to our cell block, which I can assign a value to my output based on the value of my key parameter. So this key parameter, it can be any type, it can be int, it can be word, it can be real. Let's create a variable called selector MUX, and let's declare as an int type. And I have an output called MUX output. You see here that I have two input parameters that don't have any name. So basically what this MUX will do is based on the value of my selector MUX variable, the values of my inputs will be assigned to my output. So here I can have the value 10 and the value 20. And if you want, you can add more inputs. You can just go to the toolbox and select input here on the general section and append an input on our MUX block. Okay, this will be 30. Let's download this to our simulator. Start the simulator. Okay, so here you can see the principal working of this block. So now my selector MUX is 0, and as it's 0, I am selecting the first input and assigning the value to my MUX output. So you can see the value 10 here. If I change the value to 1, my second input will be assigned to my output. And if I have the value 2, my third parameter will be assigning its value to my MUX output.